Yo, after watching this video, you don't need anyone to tell you why you need to learn Java. Now, before we go into all that, let's first of all know exactly what is Java. Now, what is Java? Java is a high-level, versatile, object-oriented programming language. It was first developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems, which now acquired by Oracle Corporation. But why is Java so special? Here is why. Java is a write-once, run-anywhere programming language, which means that Java codes can be written on one platform and run on any platform with Java Virtual Machine, which makes it platform independent. Let me break it down. Your computer only understands electrical signals, and inside the processor of every computer is made up of billions of transistors, and each transistor is designed in such a way that it can switch the flow of current on or off. Before we started using transistors, we've been using vacuum tubes, and the reason we stopped using that is because it consumes a whole lot of power, but a transistor can take as little as 5 volts. So a 5 volt output from a transistor is regarded as a logical 1, while a 0 volt output is regarded as a logical 0. So your computer is loaded with multiples of these interchanging 5 volt 0 volt signals every second. For example, each letter of the alphabet is coded uniquely with 8 of these signals. Capital letter Z, for example, is coded as 010111010. Now, when the computing is made up of 8 unique signals, it's known as 8-bit computing. But your modern day processors can compute at 64 bits. These ones and zeros are what we know as the machine language. So, because no one could write the machine language fluently except me, we now develop what we now call the assembly language. An assembly language is a low-level programming language that is specific to a computer architecture or a platform. This is the most elementary form of software development language. Here is an example of an assembly code. Back in the 50s, the way you run this code is by using a mapping sheet to convert it into a machine language, the ones and zeros, then punch it into a punching card before you feed it into the machine. With more advancement in technologies, OS computers came up that you can easily write these assembly codes in a software called an assembler, which converts the assembly codes to a machine language before feeding it to the processor. When high-level programming languages like C came up, you can now write all these into one line of code. To run the code in C language, you need a software called the compiler, which converts the C language to an assembly code, which then follows the next step, which I've explained previously. Now, here is where there is a problem, and people just don't like problems. In every individual platform, the syntax of each assembly code is different from that of another platform. Now, a platform is a combination of the operating system and the processor, and the most common platform is the Windows Intel platform, which is known as the Wintel. This brought a lot of problems that for you to run your software, you must have to have compilers for each platform. For example, the adding instruction for a Windows Intel platform is different from that of the adding instruction for a Windows AMD platform. And you as a developer, you want to make your software to be compatible to multiple platforms, and that will of course involve having multiple compilers, and maintaining multiple compilers is very costly. And even if you have all the compilers, when there is a new company like the BlackBerry which has its own operating system, you must have to go and get the compiler for that. Now here is where the miracle working Java came in. Java literally started turning water into wine. Now in the Java code, system.out.print open bracket 1 plus 2 close bracket semicolon is converted to an intermediary code called the bytecode. This code is not understood by any platform but by a virtual machine called the Java Virtual Machine JVM, which sits at the RAM of each and every one of these operating systems. This virtual platform converts the bytecode to the native machine language it's working on. So Java is not just a programming language, Java is a platform. Java is one of the most used high-level programming languages in the world, and if you notice, whenever a tech company wants to get serious with business, they start switching to Java. Being an object-oriented programming language gives it an edge over other programming languages. Now, do you need anyone to tell you why you need to start learning Java? Here are more reasons why you need to learn Java. There are several compelling reasons why every developer must have to learn Java. Now, here are the reasons. Number 1, versatile and in-demand. Java is used for a variety of applications such as server-side development, web development, mobile applications, desktop applications, and so on. Learning Java opens up a wide range of career opportunities. 2. Platform independence. Now, like I say, Java is a write-once, run-anywhere programming language. Now, have you ever been to a foreign country like China or Japan whereby the native speakers speak little or no English? When IShowSpeed visited Japan, maybe I heard him say something like, "I wish everybody were born with English as default language." But that's exactly how Java is. Every machine comes with JVM, making Java a universal language for all computers. 3. Large and active community. Java has not only a large community but an active one. This means that there are plenty of resources, libraries, frameworks, and forums available to help you learn and solve problems. This is exactly one of the main reasons why I don't care about Kotlin, no matter how hard Google pushes it to make it the first language for Android app development. I can assure you that no matter what you're about to write, no matter what you've imagined to write, no matter what you are writing now, someone out there has already written that in Java. There's always a Java dev next door capable of helping you solve all your coding problems in Java. 4. Job opportunities. Java developers are in very high demand, and many enterprises like Google rely on Java on mission-critical applications. Learning Java can lead to a stable and well-paying job opportunities. 5. Strong ecosystem. Java has a robust ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, and Android Studio. These tools make development extremely fast and more efficient. 6. Object-oriented programming. Java is an excellent language for learning and practicing object-oriented principles. Object-oriented programming is a fundamental programming paradigm used in many modern programming languages. 7. Security. Java is well known for its security features. It's commonly used in building apps where security is critical, like your e-commerce websites and your online banking applications. 8. Full-stack development. Java is used in building both front-end and back-end applications. Learning Java opens up doors to full-stack development opportunities. 9. Learning curve. Java has a relatively gentle learning curve compared to other programming languages. Its syntax is similar to other C-based programming languages, making it easier to grasp if you are familiar with programming concepts. 10. Last but not the least, and this is not where the list ended. Longevity. Java has been around for several decades and has continued to evolve. It's a language with a proven track record with a strong future. Java is an immortal language and will continue to be around. So, whether you're a beginner starting your programming career or you're an expert looking to expand your skill set, learning Java can be a very valuable investment in your career. So, in conclusion, Java is a very versatile, platform-independent, object-oriented, high-level programming language. Being a high-level programming language doesn't mean it's higher than other programming languages. It's just a term used to describe the level a programming language is to a human language. Before we wrap up this video, in this app, someone asked me, what is the difference between Java and JavaScript? So here is the answer. There's no ham in hamburger, just like there's no Java in JavaScript. Both are two different programming languages and they are never the same. One could say JavaScript is the procedural version of Java, but you didn't hear that from me. The opposite of object-oriented programming is procedural programming. And the only way to understand the difference is to try them out. No amount of explanation can really make you to understand the difference. Examples of languages that support procedural programming are JavaScript and PHP, but that might be discussed in another video. So guys, if you want to learn Java from scratch, follow me. I'll be dropping more videos and tips to help you get to pro level. But for now, like and follow for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.